Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have the current shape Seat Ibiza 1 litre TSI SE 95 PS. All the current shape Ibizas are now 5-door. Features on this car include the daytime running lamps, front fog lights. There's also an optional body kit on the vehicle and a wheel upgrade to 16-inch. Car features black mirror caps with integrated LED indicators. Part of the body kit is the roof spoiler and the lower trim, and on the tailgate as well. There's also rear sensors on the car. Ample loading space with access to the folding 60/40 split rear seats. Car seats 5 in total. Has a black and grey cloth interior with ISOFIX as well. Front electric windows and mirrors, automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 7,100 miles. Benefits from a touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls. There's also an SD card slot, air conditioning, USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary with storage in the centre and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further information, please contact Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.